Imagine yourself in this 2013 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver airbag, brake assist, cruise control, stability control, steel wheels, auxiliary audio input, and front head airbag. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.